There is a Fogel application which demonstrates how to use web service by REST API. It is currency exchange demo application which gets currency rates from web service, currency rates API.io. There is a list of available currency rates for base currency. You can convert from one currency to another. The same functionality you can implement using Swagger. Import the Swagger file or URL and call appropriate methods from the Swagger. This application does absolutely the same, but using methods from the Swagger file.